everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a desk tour for you guys. Here is a small look at what my desk currently looks like. I didn't want to clean it too much because then it would kind of look like I don't use it at all, but I actually use this every day. So on the left side of my desk, I have my laptop and my notebook. And then I have this container I got from Muji that keeps all of my currently used pens and markers for bullet journaling. Over here I have my desktop and my notebooks and folders that I use for school and work. On the left drawer, I have all of my stationery pen collection here. I know it's a bit much. I plan to do a video on this in another time, but for right now, this is what it looks like. I have my Tombos, my Crayolas, and everything that you can possibly think of underneath this one drawer right here. On the right side is the side that I use the most. This side I have all of my pens and pens that I've already used, some small things like X-Acto knife blades, erasers, whiteout, my staplers, and just miscellaneous things that I use on a daily. I also have more pens and brush pens in here because they couldn't fit in the other drawer, so I put the ones that I did use the most and that I go to the most on this side. Above my desktop, I have a shelf that I keep, again, more pens, sticky notes, stickers, envelopes, my business card, and just things that I have that don't really fit in the drawer. So that concludes my desk tour and what's on my desk. Underneath, there's a whole section that I'm not going to go into yet, but that is it. Thank you so much.